You know what makes someone impossible to ignore? It's not their looks, it's not their clothes, it's not money or fame. The people everyone wants to be around do one simple thing that most people completely miss, and when you start doing it, something crazy happens. Some people will want to get closer to you, others will feel weird and nervous around you. That's how strong this is. Want to know what it is? 1. Stop trying to make everyone happy. Here's the truth. When you try to make everyone like you, nobody really likes you. Think about it. When you laugh at jokes that aren't funny just to fit in, when you say yes when you really mean no, when you pretend to like things you don't actually like, when you act different around different people, what happens? You become boring, flat, easy to forget, just another face nobody remembers. But here's what magnetic people do. They show up as who they really are. They say what they actually think. They don't fake laugh. They don't agree just to avoid trouble. They say no without excuse. And something weird happens. People get interested, because when you don't need everyone to like you, everyone wants to know you. Being real is like a magnet. Trying too hard pushes people away. I learned this the hard way. I used to agree with everyone about everything. Movies, music, opinions, didn't matter. I just nodded and smiled like a puppet. And you know what? Nobody remembered me. I was just there. Background noise. Then I started saying what I actually thought. Not in a mean way, just honest. I didn't like that movie. I don't want to go there. That's not for me. And people started paying attention, started asking me questions, started caring what I thought. It was like I finally became visible after being invisible for years. 2. Act like you belong everywhere. Next time you're anywhere, a party, a coffee shop, a meeting, a date, anywhere at all, notice how you're sitting or standing. Are you trying to be small, looking down at the ground, arms tight against your body, shoulders hunched, staring at your phone because you feel awkward? Stop doing that. Here's what to do instead. When you sit down, relax, spread out a little. Don't scrunch up like you're trying to disappear. Put your arm on the back of the chair, lean back, take up the space. When you stand, stand strong. Keep your back straight, feet planted on the ground, head up. When you walk, walk like you know where you're going. Not fast, not slow, just sure, just confident. This isn't about being mean or pushy. This is about acting like you have every right to be there, because you do. You belong there just as much as anyone else. Magnetic people don't say sorry for taking up space. They don't shrink. They don't hide in corners. They don't make themselves small. They exist like they matter, because they do matter, and everyone around them feels it. Watch someone confident walk into a room. They don't rush. They don't look around nervously. They don't pull out their phone. They just walk in like they own the place. Not cocky, just calm. That's the energy you want. That's what makes people look and think, who is that? Your body tells a story before you even open your mouth. Make sure it's telling the right story. 3. Learn the power of silence. Here's something nobody teaches you. The most interesting people in the room talk the least. They don't fill every quiet moment with noise. They don't explain every single thing they say. They don't talk just because it's quiet. They pause. They let silence happen. They let it sit there. They think before words come out of their mouth. When someone asks them something, they don't panic and blurt out the first thing in their head. They don't rush to fill the space. They take a second, they breathe, they think, then they answer. This makes everything they say feel important, feel valuable, feel worth listening to. People lean in when you stop treating your words like trash. 2 people get asked the same question. What do you think about this idea? Person 1 immediately jumps in. Oh yeah, I think it's good, yeah, it could work. I guess, I don't know, maybe, yeah, probably. Person 2 pauses for 3 seconds, thinks, then says, I think it has potential, but it needs work. Who sounds smarter? Who sounds more sure? Who do you want to hear more from? Who would you trust more? The second person, right? Because they thought before they spoke. Because their words had weight. Silence makes people curious. Talking too much makes people tune out. When you learn to pause, to breathe, to think, your words carry weight. People start listening differently. They lean forward. They wait for what you're going to say. Most people are terrified of silence. They fill it with, stop, let the silence be there, own it, use it. It's one of your most powerful tools. 4. Stop needing everyone to tell you you're okay. This is huge. This might be the biggest one on this list. Every time you post something online and check it every 2 minutes, you're showing everyone you need them to tell you you're good enough. Every time you refresh your notifications, every time you count your likes, every time you ask someone, do I look okay? Do you think they like me? Was that weird? You're giving away your power. You're handing it to them. Magnetic people don't need constant pats on the back. They make a choice and keep moving. They post something and forget about it. They wear what they want without asking if it's cool. They do things because they want to, not because someone said they should. And that energy, that I don't need you to tell me I'm okay energy, that's what pulls people toward you. Think about someone who's always asking for approval. Is this good? Do you like it? Should I change it? How does that make you feel? Tired, right? Exhausted, drained, because they're sucking energy from you. Now, think about someone who just does their thing, posts what they want, wears what they want, says what they think, makes decisions, moves forward, no apologies. Don't you respect that person more? Don't you want to be around them more? That's because confidence doesn't beg. Confidence doesn't ask permission. It just is. When you stop begging for approval, people start giving it freely. 5. Be okay letting people go. The most magnetic thing you can do? Be totally fine with some people not liking you. Not everyone will like you. Your mom might like you. Your dog definitely likes you. But some random person, they might not. And you know what? That's perfect. When you stop trying to win over every single human being, you become way more interesting to everyone else. Because the person who doesn't need anything from you is the person everyone wants around. So stop chasing people. Stop texting first all the time. Stop being the only one who reaches out. Stop trying to convince people you're worth their time. Stop bending yourself to fit what they want. Just be you. Take up your space. Think before you speak. Stop looking for approval from everyone. And be ready to walk away from people who don't see your value. Here's what happens when you do this. People notice. They see you're not desperate. They see you're not needy. They see you have standards. And suddenly, you become more valuable in their eyes. Because we want what we can't have. We chase what walks away. We ignore what chases us. When you become the person who's okay being alone, you'll never be alone. Do this and watch what happens. Watch how people treat you differently. Watch how conversations change. Watch how people start coming to you instead of you always going to them. You don't need a new face. You don't need a new body. You don't need more money. You just need to change how you show up. Stop chasing approval. Stop shrinking yourself. Stop talking too much. Stop begging for validation. And stop holding on to people who don't hold on to you. Be yourself without apology. Own your space like you belong there. Use silence like a weapon. Drop the need for everyone's approval. And walk away when you need to. Now go do it. Today. Right now. And when people start acting weird around you, acting nervous, acting more interested, don't act surprised. You just became the most magnetic person in the room.